Hey everybody, Johnny Lewis here. We're at Allen County Fairgrounds in Lima, Ohio. One of the only cushion half miles on the schedule this year, and the cushion track is deep, ripped up horse track that they use for training, and then they race on the miles. So it's a brutal one, and I love it. I'm excited to bring the Royal Enfield here and let her eat. It's one of those tracks you get off the gas and you're right back on it, sideways, and the back tires spinning. You're getting roosted. It's kind of non-stop carnage all the way around. So let's see what happens.
Fastest guy is the 10 bike, Johnny Lewis, 2:06.4. Johnny Lewis to the top spot on the Royal Enfield.
Been a good day so far. I like these days. I think we could have a good night. So I'm excited to get through that semifinal, have a front row start for the main, keep clean, and I like to not have to pull them tear-offs.
Shields are down. It's go time, Brad. Johnny Lewis takes over the lead in turn number 4. JL10's gonna win on the Royal Enfield.
Royal Enfield won their first half mile now. Lima, Ohio. It couldn't have been a better one. I mean, I love this place and the environment. So many memories here, and to be able to win it on a Royal Enfield, and it didn't really come easy. I didn't get the whole shot. I had to pass a guy. It's a good feeling. So we're, man, to win. It's not even been a year since that bike got shipped over, and flashbacks to just working on that bike at the first race, blowing up, and thinking about like what people are thinking about what the program is, and for us to be able to take this program in this short a time, win a short track, win a half mile, I mean, which sometimes is the hardest half mile to win on the series, and it's damn special, and I hope everybody at Royal Enfield's proud of me, and everybody, I can't thank everybody that's chipped in, to be part of this program last minute. Let's keep the ball rolling and see what we can do.